I want to show you inside of a product called Activity Book Generator. I'd mentioned this in a video where I said I'd do a complete walkthrough. Well, I'm going to show you what you can do inside of Activity Book Generator and what it's all about. And we're going to start here inside the dashboard under My Projects, and we're just going to jump in, and you can see that you can add new, you can check out your published, your pending, and your drafts. Also, you can trash your projects or add your projects to trash so you can delete them. And what you can do here is you can select by category. And you can see the different activities here: Adult I Spy, Find the Words, Kids Cutouts, Kids I Spy, Kids Placemats, Road Trip, Safari, different coloring images, Adult Line Art, Adult Mandalas, which is the one I'm about to show you here, Adult Mandalas Borders, Adult Seasons, Countries, Kids, Kids Farm, Line Art, Seasons, Patterns, Patterns with Borders, Printables, Habit Trackers, Notes, Pages, Notes, Words. But I want to show you how this works and what I did with the mandalas. I simply drop down the category Adult Mandalas, and as you can see here, it brings in a list of Adult Mandala images. And then what you can see here is on the right-hand side, you can add a project or build a project. And you simply just click the mandala you like, and then when you like it, it adds it in here. And then over here, you can simply rearrange it by dragging and dropping. And then once you do that, all you do is hit compile. It downloads the PDF that you can see here in the left-hand corner. And of course, you can open that PDF and you can see right here, here are the images already set in a PDF. And then you could simply go over to Canva and you could create a new design, import PDF. And then you can see here I've imported that PDF and I've simply added some text above the first image, Live, Life, Love. Of course, I could move this up. I could make this image bigger, as you can see right there. And I could move that around and center it. And then of course, I could drag that back down. Then you can see here I've taken this mandala and I've just changed the size of it and made it bigger. Of course, it could go off the page and sort of make a background like that, and it would be ready to add something else to it. As you can see here, I've taken that same Live, Life, Love sort of idea and I added a rectangle here, and you can see that's just a rectangle that I pulled out of the elements over here by simply going in here and pulling over a rectangle, and then take that and then center that. And then that mandala was the mandala in the background. Again, if you look at my PDF, that was one of the mandalas here that I had in the background. Back inside of Canva, you can see that now all I would do is I would go over, hit download, PDF print, download, open up that PDF. Now you see here I have pages that I could easily add to any book or printable, and it's a completely different design. As you can see here, Live, Life, Love, the background with the mandala. And these could be colored in. Of course, you could add something in front of this one as well, maybe a quote like I did this one. You could easily change this text to make it coloring as well, like I did here. If you were to go back inside of Canva, you can see that this is a Lavera quote with the effects applied. Here, hollow effect or style, and simply just make it something very unique. And it's just that easy back inside of Activity Book Generator. Of course, if you go back to the dashboard, you can see different membership levels. Now, of course, with your membership levels, you're going to have access to different things. And that is one of the things that you need to understand when you purchase this. And that'll all be fully explained on the sales page. There is a link in the description, as this is Activity Book Generator 2.0. And if you head over to the sales page, you can read all about this. And you can see the demo videos here and exactly what you're going to get inside of this product. To include that this book started off as Phase 1 or Activity Book Generator 1.0 when I actually bought into it. And you can see the Activity Book Generator does exactly what it says. It creates coloring and activity books and printables for both adults and kids with just a couple clicks of the mouse, which you saw over in the dashboard when I created this PDF right here, uploaded that into Canva, and then created the images that you see right here. And then of course that changed into this PDF. So you can see that it happened rather quickly and easily. And of course, that's what I'm talking about here, to show you here that they've taken this even further and they are introducing the Activity Book Generator 2.0. It's been completely rebuilt and expanded, and you can do many more things. And you can see here you can build your products in less than 7 simple steps. Choose a category or search for an image: dogs, farm, beach, etc. Drag and drop or rearrange the images. Choose the paper size, different paper sizes, save the project. Click compile, as you saw how simple and easy I did that. Save the PDF to your file and then simply use a free Canva account, which is what this is right here, where I created these images using the book that I compiled and downloaded inside of Activity Book Generator. So it really is just that simple, 7 simple steps. So back to the sales page, what do you get and what do some of these images look like? There are over 1,000 adult coloring images, over 700 new created just for this project, plus another 1,100 kids coloring images, 250 mazes and Sudoku games, and you can scroll down through here and you can check out some of them that are there, as well as the other images and the games and the activities. And also you can see right now you can get this to test it out to see if it will work for you and your business for $25, a one-time price. Link is in the description. Also check out the frequently asked questions. Can I add my own images? Not at this time, however it is on our to-do list. If you want to have a bigger book or different images to combine into one, can I do so? Yes, you can, but you have to use a PDF editor to do so. You saw I brought it into Canva using the PDF option inside of Canva. Am I limited to how many I can create? Nope, you can create as many as you wish. It says 10 projects. Does that mean I am restricted or I have to buy more? The 10 projects simply means there are 10 saved projects. You can create an unlimited number of books or printables. Do I get PLR rights? Yes, you have PLR or private label rights or commercial use rights in that you can use these to sell as you wish. However, you cannot include PLR rights. That means you cannot pass on commercial usage rights, meaning you cannot sell these images for other people to use as their own. But there is an add-on developer option that allows that. Are there any other restrictions? You cannot extract the images and upload these to any free or paid sharing sites. Will others have the same books or printables as me? The pages could potentially be in books or printables others create, but realistically, if you bought the rights to use images somewhere else or use free sites like Pixabay, this is going to happen anyway. Example, we created a word search book with a series of specific topics that we personally pulled together. Amazon said there are others out there that we have the same content. We replied and I had proof that while the words may be similar to others, the fact is words are words, they can be used anywhere. So yes, it's possible that others will have similar, but chances are slim to have the exact same. Again, go back to the dashboard. Under projects, you're going to create your projects. You also have the ability to come under here when you have your account under main members and see all of the generators that generate images or activities for different sizes. But the best thing and the coolest part is to come under projects, click add new. Come here under categories, under add new project. And once you do that, you can see that it brings up all the images that you see here. These are like some type of airplane type mandala. Of course, the project that I was working on here, you can see that the project that I created, and then of course I took that into a PDF that you see here. Then I opened up that PDF inside of Canva under Create Design, Import PDF, and I took that and I turned that into the PDF here that you see, or the different design that you see here that I then downloaded as a PDF. And of course that PDF is the one you see right here, which is a completely different and unique image or book with different images that I created from the project that originated here inside of the dashboard inside of Activity Book Generator. Link in the description to check this out. It'll take you over to the sales page. Of course, if you have any questions, go ahead, drop them in the comments. But check this out. I think it's pretty cool. I even left a testimonial on the page because I do truly believe that this is something that you should add into your toolbox for book creation. Link in the description. Discover how to quickly create coloring activity books and printables for all ages with a new, faster, easier way that cuts your creation time to just 5 minutes or less. That's Activity Book Generator. I just wanted to show you this. I think it's cool. I think it can help you. Link in the description. Check it out. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.